Why don't we tell secrets at the tea party? Because even the teacups have ears. Now let's move on to our main topic. A topic as refreshing and invigorating as a cup of rosemary tea, filled to the brim with benefits. It's not just a beverage, but a magic potion that works wonders. Now that we've shared a laugh, it's time to dive into the enchanting world of rosemary tea. Stay tuned to discover the unique properties that make this tea a health enthusiast's dream come true. Firstly, rosemary tea is a magic potion for your digestive system. Have you ever felt that uncomfortable sensation in your stomach? Maybe after a heavy meal or that extra slice of pizza you couldn't resist? Well, rosemary tea steps in like a charm. It's a natural soother for an upset stomach, helping to calm those turbulent waves within. But that's not all. It also works wonders in preventing constipation. Think of it as your very own internal traffic control, ensuring everything flows smoothly. No more traffic jams in your digestive tract, folks. Moreover, rosemary tea stimulates the digestive enzymes, which helps in breaking down food more effectively. So, not only does it ease discomfort, but it also aids in nutrient absorption. Your body gets to make the most of what you eat, all thanks to this herbal brew. So, if your tummy is giving you trouble, remember the magic spell, rosemary tea. Secondly, rosemary tea is like a knight in shining armor for your immune system. Its secret weapon? A potent blend of antioxidants including rosmarinic acid, carnosic acid, and carnosol. These mighty warriors stand ready to defend your body against the harmful free radicals that threaten to compromise your health. But the magic of rosemary tea doesn't stop there. It also possesses antimicrobial properties, a fancy term for a simple fact. Rosemary tea can help combat harmful bacteria and viruses. Think of it as your body's personal bouncer, keeping the bad guys at bay. And let's not forget about the tea's anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can often be the spark that lights the fire of illness. But with rosemary tea in your corner, that fire is quickly extinguished, leaving you feeling healthier and more vibrant. In the battle against diseases, you have a brave ally in rosemary tea. Thirdly, rosemary tea is not just a drink, it's a mood enhancer. The aromatic magic of this humble herb brews more than just a warm cup of tea. It stirs up a sense of wellness, a feeling of calm, and a rare tranquility that's hard to find in our fast-paced lives. Imagine after a long, exhausting day you sit down with a steaming cup of rosemary tea. The soothing aroma wafts up, filling your senses, and as you take a sip, you can feel a gentle wave of calm washing over you. The stress of the day starts to ebb away, replaced by a serene and tranquil mood. Scientifically speaking, the active compounds in rosemary, like rosmarinic acid, have been found to have antidepressant properties. These compounds can help reduce stress hormones in the body, promoting a positive mental state. So if you're feeling a little low, or perhaps a bit overwhelmed, don't reach for the comfort food. Instead, brew a cup of rosemary tea and let the magic work. Fourthly, rosemary tea is a loyal friend to your brain. This aromatic herb is a superstar when it comes to boosting brain function. Its active components stimulate mental activity, helping you stay alert and focused. Imagine being able to power through your to-do list without that mid-afternoon slump. That's the magic of rosemary tea. But there's more. Rosemary tea is also a memory enhancer. Studies have shown that the compounds in rosemary can improve memory retention, making it a great companion for students and lifelong learners. So next time you're cramming for an exam or trying to remember a new language, you might want to brew a cup of rosemary tea. And let's not forget about its protective benefits. Regular consumption of rosemary tea can help safeguard your brain against cognitive decline. It's like a shield, defending your brain against the wear and tear of aging. To keep your brain sharp and focused, remember to sip on rosemary tea. Fifthly, rosemary tea is a natural pain reliever. Imagine this. You've had a long day, your muscles ache, and you're searching for a comforting way to ease the pain. Enter rosemary tea. This humble herb, steeped in hot water, might just be the remedy you're looking for. Rosemary tea is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. It's packed with antioxidants, such as rosmarinic acid, that fight off harmful free radicals in the body. These free radicals can cause inflammation, leading to pain and discomfort. By neutralizing these free radicals, rosemary tea can help reduce inflammation and alleviate the associated pain. But it's not just about the antioxidants. Rosemary tea also contains compounds like eucalyptol, which is known for its pain-relieving effects. So when you sip on this herbal brew, you're not just enjoying a warm, comforting drink. You're also giving your body a natural pain reliever. The benefits of rosemary tea extend beyond temporary pain relief. Studies suggest that it could have long-term benefits for individuals with chronic inflammatory conditions. For example, people with arthritis might find rosemary tea particularly beneficial. Arthritis is characterized by inflammation in the joints, causing pain and stiffness. Regular consumption of rosemary tea could potentially help manage these symptoms, providing a natural and enjoyable way to support their overall health. In addition, rosemary tea may also help with headaches and migraines. The calming properties of this herbal brew can soothe the nervous system, potentially reducing the frequency and severity of headaches. But remember, while rosemary tea can offer relief, it doesn't replace professional medical advice or treatment. If you're dealing with persistent or severe pain, it's vital to consult with a healthcare provider. That being said, incorporating rosemary tea into your routine could be a delightful way to boost your wellness and manage minor aches and pains. Whether you're winding down after a strenuous workout, looking to soothe a throbbing headache, or seeking to manage chronic discomfort, a cup of rosemary tea could be just what you need. Next time you're in pain, consider reaching for a cup of rosemary tea. Last but not least, rosemary tea can make your hair dreams come true. If you've been searching for a natural, effective, and affordable way to enhance your hair health, look no further. Rosemary tea could be the answer you've been waiting for. This aromatic herb has long been revered for its culinary and medicinal benefits. But did you know it's also a secret weapon in the pursuit of luscious locks? Yes, you heard it right. Drinking rosemary tea can help foster hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and even combat hair loss. Now let's dive into the details. Rosemary tea contains essential nutrients and antioxidants that stimulate blood circulation to the scalp. This increased blood flow brings with it a greater supply of nutrients to your hair follicles, fostering growth and overall hair health. The result? Stronger, shinier, and healthier hair. But the benefits don't stop there. Rosemary tea is also a potent source of ursolic acid, a compound known for its ability to increase scalp circulation and block DHT, a hormone that can cause hair follicles to shrink and contribute to hair loss. So not only does rosemary tea promote hair growth, but it also goes on the defense, fighting against hair loss. Even more, rosemary tea can strengthen your hair follicles. As we know, healthy hair begins at the root. The nutrients in rosemary tea help fortify your follicles, ensuring your hair is strong from the root to the tip. But remember, like any natural remedy, consistency is key. Regular consumption of rosemary tea can lead to visible improvements in your hair health over time. So make rosemary tea part of your daily routine, and watch as your hair transforms. So whether you're facing hair fall, looking to boost hair growth, or just want to add some extra shine to your mane, a cup of rosemary tea might be just what you need. For a healthy, luscious mane, don't forget to drink rosemary tea. There you have it, the magical benefits of rosemary tea. In a whirlwind tour of health and wellness, we've discovered the multifaceted nature of this humble herb. From aiding digestion to boosting immunity, rosemary tea proves to be a formidable ally in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. A cup a day can help keep your digestive woes at bay, fostering a healthier gut and happier you. As a natural shield, it fortifies your immune system, keeping you robust and ready to face life's challenges. But that's not all. This aromatic brew also serves as a mood enhancer, infusing positivity into your day, one sip at a time. And have we mentioned its contribution to cognitive health? Yes, rosemary tea is a veritable brain booster, enhancing memory and concentration. It's like having your personal brain gym in a cup. Pain and inflammation too find a worthy adversary in rosemary tea. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties provide relief, making it a gentle yet potent pain reliever. And for those of us wishing for healthier tresses, rosemary tea promotes hair growth, adding another feather to its already brimming cap. In essence, rosemary tea is a treasure trove of health benefits, a magical potion in a teacup that embraces versatility and potency. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more magical health content. Until next time, stay healthy and keep sipping that rosemary tea.